Get away from the city chaos and find tranquility in this stunning 67-acre property in Kentucky. This lovely home has been updated with a new roof, heating, cooling, and recently updated with septic system. The expensive property is fully fenced, featuring flat land ideal for gardening, hayfield, and plenty of space to roam and explore. Imagine waking up to nature's beauty and spending your days surrounded by peace and quiet. This is your chance to own a slice of heaven in beautiful Kentucky. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.